Okay, we love the goblet lateral lunge, but we see a lot of common mistakes. So the four most common mistakes that we come across, we're going to go over them right now and we're going to correct them. So he's going to step to his side, and the first thing that we see all the time, go ahead into your lunge position. So if the knee is traveling too far forward, you're loading the toes and you're not getting that posterior weight shift. So that's mistake number one. We want to correct that. Number two is the neck. People have a tendency to do this in front of the mirror and go into hyperextension of the neck. We don't want that either. And then come back up. Number three is not controlling your trunk. So he'll actually over-rotate at the end. So he'll step, rotate too far. We want more square. Come back up. And then the last one is we turn this move. It should be loaded with the hip, but sometimes people will load their back. So if he steps forward or to the side, leaning too far forward, and then it becomes kind of a crummy good morning on the way back up. We don't want that because it's going to overload the spine. So how do we correct that? So let's do a good rep. So he's going to step. He's going to posteriorly shift his weight to the heel. Neutral in the neck. No rotation. Square through here. The knee doesn't come past the toes. And he drives back up. Let's do one more good rep. He's breathing. He's neutral. He's loading the hip and popping back up. That's how you do the lateral lunge.